We're happy to share our story with the crew at Unity.
Yeah, welcome to our Lakehouse.
So we've been coming up to this lakes region for many, many years. My dad used to come up when he was a kid. And when my older brother graduated from college, he bought a house in this neighborhood. So we've been coming up to that house, and then another brother bought another house, and we had looked at a couple of houses in the neighborhood, right? And they weren't ideal, right? So they either had too many stairs or they were drafty and had a lot of work. So we figured, hey, let's look for a piece of land. We bought basically the last lot in the development.
It was kind of our plan to have our adult children come and visit because they live in different parts of the country. So we thought if we built a comfortable home, that not only could we enjoy it and age here, but that they would enjoy coming to be together. And I might add that our son is a mechanical engineer and very socially and environmentally conscious. So he saw the information about Unity and loved the whole robotics piece of it. That was, part of his interest. And the fact that it paid so much attention, the design and structure, to being environmentally friendly was really, he kept sending us videos. You need to look at this company. They're right near where you are.
Kind of want to make this a destination for the family, but also our kids will inherit this, right? So we want to make sure it doesn't cost them a lot of money when they eventually end up with their house on the lakes region. And we didn't install solar yet because we want to get some history of the electrical usage.
And the Unity piece, on top of my son kind of plugging the whole concept, kind of fit into us being very overwhelmed with a stick build and so many choices. We were getting really overwhelmed, and so the design element kind of helped us to focus a little bit more. And then the whole energy efficiency piece just fit into the fact that we'll be retiring and our income won't be what it is now. So future costs being stable or lower was going to be a really important factor for us. So the fact that we wouldn't be paying a lot to heat or cool, that we wouldn't be doing a lot of home repairs and replacement was really very inviting to us.
Yeah. We also, our primary house is not here, right? So I was trying to imagine not being here when someone is building the house and worrying about, are the windows square? Is the insulation doing the right thing? Is it watertight? Is it airtight? And we just eliminated all those questions from the equation. And we ended up with, the shell of the house being super, super tight and crisp and clean. And then, the rest of it was easier to imagine us, working towards completing and feeling good about that.
And some of the finished work were real family time for us. So we did the siding outside and the painting. And someday when somebody changes the siding, they'll see people's signatures all over the house because all of our family members and friends signed different parts of the wall before they put the siding up. They really have ownership into the project. So it bonded us, I think, and people were really excited to be able to finally stay here and not use a porta potty and be able to be comfortable in a bed.
It's also nice when it's super quiet, right? So you're here at night, fireplace is on, everything's dim. You feel like you're in the woods.
I just love the open space. Like, we can have family here. We probably had 18 people here one evening, and we were all around the island, and everybody was comfortable, and we're all laughing, and the house was just full of happy sounds. It was really so nice.